This video will walk you through the kind of information found within a given record on AtoM. As an example, this is a phone-level description of our Ethel Stark collection. A typical phone-level description of a record will look something like this. You'll find the title of the phone at the top of the page, followed by a carousel of clickable digital objects, and some descriptive information that summarizes the contents of the collection. This may include information like the material designation. In other words, the kind of material found in the record. In this case, we know that there is a good mix of textual records, photographs, sound recordings, and objects in the Ethel Stark phone. The reference code, which is the collection's unique identifier, the date range of the collection, its physical description, some added historical context, content information, and biographical data of individuals involved in the collection, the language of the material in the collection, and access points, commonly known as tags. These are key terms that provide supplemental information to a given record, and more importantly, link to related material within our collections. They are especially handy for browsing. Say I'm interested in learning about other women musicians in our collections. I can do so by clicking on the access point in question, which would direct me to other records tagged with that same key term. In this case, I know that along with our Ethel Stark collection, we have the Sarah E. Fisher collection that involves women musicians. The levels of description of any given collection will appear on the left-hand side of the screen. These are phone level, series level, file level, and ultimately item level descriptions. If, for instance, I were interested in consulting biographical records on Ethel Stark, I could do this one of two ways. Either by browsing the levels of description to ultimately find the relevant material, or performing a targeted search of the collection with the help of select keywords.